In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar on an iPhone. Whether you're coordinating events with family or organizing your work schedule with colleagues, sharing your calendar is a great way to keep everyone in the loop. So let's dive right in and walk you through the process. First things first, grab your iPhone and open up Google Calendar. If you don't have the Google Calendar app installed yet, go ahead and download it from the App Store. Once you've got it open, you'll see your calendar view with all your events and dates lined up. This is your starting point. Remember, I will be demonstrating this on a PC, but you can easily follow along on your iPhone. Next, we need to get into the calendar settings to manage the sharing options. Look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the menu icon. It's usually represented by three horizontal lines. Once you're in the menu, navigate to the My Calendar section. This is where all the calendars you've created or subscribed to will be listed. Find the specific calendar you want to share and tap on the three dots next to it. This will reveal additional options. Select Settings and Sharing. Now that you're in the settings, let's focus on making your calendar shareable. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Share with Specific People. Tap on that, and you'll enter a new screen where you can manage who has access to your calendar. Click on Add People, which prompts a new dialog box. Here, you'll need to enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share your calendar with. Make sure to type them accurately to avoid sending invites to the wrong addresses. After entering the email, you'll see an option to choose the permission level. This is an important step because it dictates how much control the people you're sharing with will have over your calendar. You can choose from a range of permissions, from simply viewing events to making changes and managing sharing options themselves. Pick the level that best suits your needs. Once you've added the people and set their permissions, it's time to send out the invitations. Tap Send, and what happens next is quite simple. An email invite is sent out to all the addresses you entered. Each person will receive a notification in their inbox with all the necessary instructions to view or manage your calendar, depending on the permissions you've given them. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now shared. This can be incredibly useful for teams, families, and more. It ensures everyone is on the same page and can help prevent scheduling conflicts. If you encounter any issues, make sure to double check the email addresses and permissions you've set. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in organizing your life a little better.